Hello everyone, so as promised, I came back to show you how I make the most delicious recipe of cinnamon rolls. So I just bought this, it's already made, that's why I'm saying it's very easy. So it's this thing you already buy, so you don't have to make flour and all that. Then you let it melt, I guess, like take it out of the freezer, leave it about for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. When it's melted, and just like so, you open it like this. Can you guys see? I hope you can see. Yes, you can see now. So we put this like so, and now we take 20 grams of melted butter, and we take the spatula, I guess it's called, and just put it all over, just like so. You don't have to put a lot, but you have to put enough so that sugar and the cinnamon will stick to it. So just like so, very fast, very easy. Make sure you also put it in the corners. You will not even use the whole 20 grams of butter, like I still have some left. Just making sure that I covered everywhere. Okay, and now I have here, so here I have 90 grams of cane sugar because it's the healthiest one. I have 15 grams of cinnamon, and just mix it like so, and then put it like so. I am showing you guys because this is amazing, and literally it tastes so good. And don't worry if for now you have some spaces that you don't have enough sugar, because we will pat it down to make sure we have everywhere. And now I just like to take my hand, it's washed, don't you guys worry, so better wash your hands as well before you start, and then just pat it like so. You don't want to have just in one place too much sugar, so you just pat it like so, move it around. So easy, I'm telling you guys, you will love this recipe. It's a favorite now in our household. My husband adores it. So yeah, we don't have cinnamon rolls here in our country, so therefore, I had to come up with the easiest and the most delicious recipe. And here it is, so easy, you will see. I hope you guys try it and let me know. And then, the part where it matters. So take it slowly, and try to bend it over. Just like so. Make sure you don't do it very big because it will get bigger. But be very gentle and careful because, yeah, this takes, I feel it's the hardest part for me, just because you have to be very careful. So just like so. And I like to push the corners as well. here it is. Very beautiful, I'm telling you. Then we start cutting it. So I'm doing like this. It should come out about 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can, try to split it beforehand because it might be easier. You take it and put it inside. Make sure you put it well. So I am taking each one like so. Also, make sure you preheat the oven at 200 degrees. And just like so, take it, put it beautifully. I'm telling you guys, this is the easiest recipe. It will not grow a lot. They will not become huge just because the flour is already done. But it's easy. It takes less than 20 minutes. Not even 20 minutes to make. So yeah, just put it here. And this is how it looks. I didn't cut it very perfectly this time, but it doesn't matter. It tastes good. It looks good. Here it is. See, so easy. As we continue on our icing, we will put this for about 25 minutes in the preheated oven at 200 degrees. Now let's continue to the icing. I already put 80 grams of light Philadelphia in here and 1 tablespoon of honey. And now I will be adding the vanilla, which is this one here. We'll be cutting this one. Plus I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla liquid. Vanilla essence, I guess it's called. Because this gives it such a good flavor to the icing. You have no idea. So the real vanilla, I guess it's called. I have no idea, but I guess you can see what I mean. Then we are mixing it all together. I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. And let me guys know, because you will see that it's easy to make. And once people try it, it's always gonna be requested. I promise you this. Make sure you mix well the mixture for the icing. See, the taste is amazing even as you take it out of the fridge and enjoy it with a cup of coffee. It's more than amazing. We love to have it for breakfast or as dessert. So here it is. Also, I forgot to mention, don't forget to add 30 grams of milk in the icing. I just took them out of the oven. Here they are. They look amazing. Trust me, they really do look amazing. And I will show you how to make the icing and how to put it on top. But first I would let them about 10 minutes with a cloth covering them and then continue the process. Plastic bag. Just like so. So I will put the icing directly in the plastic bag, just like so. Make sure you take all of it with a spoon. Then we will cut the corner of the bag. Be careful. And continue like so. Oh my god, I put too much. It's okay. I was looking at the camera. It's okay. Don't do like me, look somewhere else. Just look here when you put it. But trust me, nevertheless, it tastes Amazing. Let me show you guys the finished look. Look how amazing it looks. Oh my god. The icing. Oof. Can you guys see? Amazing. Bon appetit. If you tried this recipe, let me know. And yeah, let me know if you got addicted to it or not, because we definitely did.